here standing outside of a private building in Dover, New Hampshire, and you'll not believe what we found. Look
I'll ride this
at
epic thing with you.
this. It's a Westinghouse elevator. Let's try and go to B. It's locked. 3. Alright, 3's open. Listen to this motor.
Stay on that side 'cause there's
Listen.
gonna be somebody there. There used to be that type of light in my house.
Oh, used to be an indicator up there. That's epic. Alright, ready? One.
Let's only take one ride on this.
Hey there. 1955, 100 feet a minute, 2,000 pound capacity. Here are your fixtures. Not 88. Oh, 88 bone.
So I can bore my face. Okay.
That's awesome. You can hear the interlock opening. Alright, and
Send it up.
look at this.
Send it up.
Alright, we're gonna send it up so we can hear this awesome motor. Watch it close.
I probably just think it's the
Look at that.
elevator.
Westinghouse. Here we go, listen. Did you say it's gonna be alarmed?
No. Not gonna be.
Right, now let's look at the stairwell. Awesome. Oh, jeez. I got the door. You think there'll be something back here?
It's just a really wonky building.
Alright, well, here, I'm gonna do
Oh,
this.
I got it. I got it.
We'll watch the light go out. I thought this was gonna be an Otis.
So look at this thing. Old security alarm.
Yeah.
Someone on the internet said it might be dictograph, but I'm not sure.
Listen to the
No,
watch
it's
those.
NAPCO. But I believe dictograph originally made it.
Alright, we'll watch it close. There it goes.
It looks just gorgeous.
And that's it.